Secure storage area for aircraft parts and equipment that will be required for a particular project. This area is secured, and its size is adjusted to the scale of the project. All of the back shop support a project may require is available right here on site, including a sheet metal shop, machine shop, welding, composite repairs, interior refurbishing, non-destructive testing labs, and avionics support. Let's start at the composite and sub-assembly paint shop. Here, off-aircraft parts and sub-assemblies are prepared and painted in one of these large EPA-approved paint booths. There's also an open booth for sanding and prep prior to painting. Composite work is also done in this shop, on everything from flight controls to passenger seats. Specialists from this area also perform on-aircraft composite repairs. The repair capabilities include wet layup and hot bond repairs, with temperatures of 250 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're in the non-destructive test lab. The NDT technicians inspect areas of the aircraft that are hidden from normal view. This lab stocks over 1,000 different standards in support of many different aircraft types. Capabilities include magnetic particle, eddy current, ultrasonic, and liquid penetrant to level 3. This is the avionics shop. The avionics techs are a highly specialized group that works on electrical components in support of the aircraft heavy maintenance checks. Modification and repair of communications, navigation, in-flight entertainment, and engine indications are all handled through this shop, and the majority of their work is performed right at the aircraft. In this area, we have bench repair stations and the climate-controlled storage area for all avionics test equipment. This is the sheet metal, welding, and machine shop area. In this location, bench repairs are made on aircraft assemblies such as galleys, entry doors, and cowlings. Using this equipment, mechanics can cut, roll, and bend sheet metal in support of aircraft and on-bench repairs. There are also 4 ovens, 2 for aging and 2 used for heat treating. In the machining shop, hard-to-find or long lead time parts are commonly machined from raw stock. This job started as a large block of aluminum. Now we're in Hangar 6, a 50,000 square foot space that actually serves 2 purposes. It's both an EPA-approved stripping and aircraft painting facility and a maintenance facility. In this hangar, Empire paints aircraft as large as a 767. The shaded area is additional hangar and shop space not currently in use by Empire Aerocenter. This area is designated for future expansion. One of the special side projects we're currently working on here is the restoration of a vintage aircraft, the Lockheed Constellation, affectionately known as the Connie. It is a 4-engine, propeller-driven airliner built in 1954 and distinguished by a distinctive triple-tail design and graceful, dolphin-shaped fuselage. It was used as both a civilian airliner and U.S. military air transport plane. Although it won't ever fly again, when completed it will be a static display in front of the Museum of Flight in Seattle. Building 100 includes additional hangar space, production areas, and training rooms for our mechanics and technical specialists. This is the control center. Like Building 101, it also includes a dedicated document area where each project's planning and work assignments are carefully organized and distributed to our skilled workforce. And to be sure we continue to attract and retain the best of the best, Empire Aerocenter has developed and implemented an aggressive in-house training and recruiting program. This program includes partnerships with local community colleges to offer relevant curriculum and skills training that will help prepare students for long and rewarding careers with us. Here, on the 3rd floor of Building 100, up to 20 mechanics at a time can undergo intensive, computerized, and instructor-based training to keep them current on the latest specifications, maintenance manuals, and specialized aircraft equipment. Downstairs in Building 100, there is an additional 100,000 square feet of workspace available in 2 additional hangars. Hangar number 1 is currently occupied by Empire Aerocenter to perform routine MRO for our blue chip customers. And hangar number 2, currently in use by the general aviation community, will soon be available as part of the company's future expansion plans. Our management and leadership team has more than 100 years of cumulative experience and industry knowledge that is helping to ensure current and future growth in our workforce, steady increases in sales and productivity, and ongoing facility expansion. This team has successfully created a culture that emphasizes safety, reliability, and attention to detail. We practice this every day and throughout every part of the Empire Aero Center organization and facility. You can see this dedication and commitment by our staff in our massive maintenance and repair spaces and in critical back shops and support areas. We're continually striving to add value for our customers by improving our cycle times and developing innovative work solutions that offer cost efficiency, but more importantly, choice. Adding value increases customer satisfaction. Going beyond is how we've gotten here, and it's also how we'll get to where we want to be, the very best. Thank you very much for joining me on our tour today. We hope you enjoyed seeing the inner workings of our facility and found the tour interesting, informative, and educational.
Empire Aero Center. MRO, the way it should be.